In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in MetaTrader 5, whether you prefer a light background, a dark interface, or just want your charts to be easier on the eyes. Changing the theme is a quick way to make MetaTrader 5 feel more comfortable and personalized. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and at least one chart visible. Any chart will work for this process. Once your chart is on screen, move your mouse cursor over the chart area itself. To begin customizing the theme, right-click anywhere on the chart. It doesn't have to be on a specific candle or line, just somewhere in the main chart window. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options related to your chart. From this menu, look for the option labeled Properties. This is where MetaTrader 5 stores most of the visual settings for your chart, including colors and general appearance. Go ahead and click on Properties to open the settings window. A new window will pop up with different tabs and options. In this window, you'll see a tab or section dedicated to the visual look of your chart. To adjust the theme colors, click on the tab called Colors. This is where you can control how nearly every element on your chart looks. Inside the Colors section, you'll find drop-down menus or color pickers for things like the background, foreground, grid, bullish candles, bearish candles, and more. By changing these values, you effectively create your own theme. For example, you might choose a dark background with bright candles for a night mode style, or a white background with subtle grid lines for a clean minimalist look. Take a moment to adjust each color until the chart looks the way you want. As you change settings, you'll usually see a small preview so you can decide if you like the new style before you commit. When you're happy with your choices, click OK to apply the changes to your chart. Your chart will now update to reflect the new theme. If it doesn't look quite right, you can repeat the process. Right-click on the chart, open Properties, go back to the Colors tab, and fine-tune your selections. With just these few clicks, you can transform the feel of MetaTrader 5 and create a setup that's easier to read and more comfortable for long trading sessions.